Yo, what's up everybody? We are out DL Laker High School Fishing Championship. Got Mike over there, the old quality bait and tackle boat. Got Gavin G-Man up here. Got Neela. You guys ready to catch some fish?
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully. She just caught one actually. Out here fishing, we're using leeches, we're using creek chubs, slip bobbers, casting Lindy rigs. Hopefully catching some bass and some walleyes, maybe a pike, I don't know. Ooh, swing and a miss. It happens. It'll happen a lot today. We're out here from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Pretty cool. It's my first year doing this and had a lot of fun doing it. Took first place a few times, and yeah, it's just been a great way to spend the summer. So, oh, what do we got? Bass. There you go. Sunfish. Yeah. There you go. A little bit of everything out here. I think we're gonna catch plenty of fish. There's a lot of small bass, but a lot of fish mixed in everywhere. So we're just gonna let the GoPro roll, and yeah, let's do it. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, that's what we need. Ooh, he's hooked up on something good.
That's a good one.
It's a good one.
I cast it about right where you were too.
Yeah. Ooh, be a double. Oh my. Got a double. Doubled up. Tip of your rod, I think, is, yep, the line's messed up on the tip there. How was it, a bass?
It's something out there. See it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, it's a big bass. What do you got there? Okay. Hey, we'll take a big bass.
Yeah, it was fighting like a...
It was, too. It wasn't,
Yeah, it was staying down.
hey. Yeah, it is. Come on, buddy. There we go. Hey.
Jeez, that's good.
Yeah, it is. Big bass. What a 26-incher. Look at that, guys. Look at a double. It's nice. How long do the bass have to be?
They only have to be 12 inches.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Need that's 16 3/4.
Yeah.
There you go. You need some assistance, Neela?
Yeah.
Here.
Don't stop moving.
That one took it under like a lot.
Mm-hmm.
That was kind of weird.
There we go.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Do that, they fight like a wall.
Oh, good, cool.
Some of them will jump. Usually then
Can move that around too, Neela. Find the fish. Got to get into victory mode. We can't let that other boat beat us.
that's so close.
For anybody that's wondering, that Mike over there is her dad. He's the enemy today. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. These guys are catching them left and right. Hopefully Gavin's got a big walleye on this time. It'd be great.
It's fighting like a bass again.
Is it?
Yeah, it's making it run this weird. It's not running.
Oh yeah. Oh, it is fighting like a bass. Hey, you know, we'll take another big bass.
See it out there, it's another nice one. It's just a big school of big ones out there. They're out in the
There you go. Take them all.
Another good one.
Hey, another big one. Another big largemouth. Oh, got him. Horrible net, man. There we go. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Take a bunch of big bass. Well, I got broke off, and these guys got a double. Shows you where I rank on the fishing scale today. Oh. That's just over 16 1/4, so 16 and a half. 16 and a half. Yesterday? Oh, please, come on, be a walleye. Be a walleye. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll bet it is this time. Hopefully he's got a walleye this time. You guys.
Yeah, I watched them shoot up at it.
Gotta be, right?
See him down there. Pike?
No, it's a walleye. Yep, it's a walleye. Got a walleye.
It's a walleye.
Here you go, dude. Oh, I'm such a bad net man. There we go. There we go.
It's a nice one.
Here we go.
Nice golden color.
Yeah.
I
Well,
watched him come up
oh,
and chase it down there. Two of them. There's a bigger one too.
oh, sweet. There you go. Neela, now you catch one quick.
Just the way it's coming down.
19 and a quarter.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a picture of you quick.
Just have it.
How big is it?
19 and a quarter. Here we go. Boom, boom. Fish flop Friday.
Man, he's really like to flop.
There you go. Give the camera a nice close up. 19 and a quarter incher. Beauty. Going back. All right.
Oh yeah, he's right.
Now you guys catch another. Ooh. Oh, that's good. Come on, a big walleye.
Yeah, it's making runs.
Oh.
Like a pike. Oh, I have a big one too.
Here you go. Oh.
I got a buddy.
Oh.
We both have fish.
Hey. We'll take a bunch of bass.
Get out of your way.
Ooh, oh, yeah.
Mine's small.
Oh gosh. Oh God, don't want the trolling motor. There we go.
Go around here and I'll just
Okay.
put mine in the boat.
I'm gonna get the net out of our way. There we go.
Oop, and then another mine's down now too. Oh yeah, there's still more
Go.
fish out there.
I get those first ones we casted to were walleyes. 13 and a half. It's the exact same one I caught. Same size one I caught.
Man, they really like the flopper.
They go right across the middle of the boat on the other side.
Yeah, right. 16 and a half.
Right. So chunky, it looks like.
Yeah, he's so fat. I'd say maybe he's pushing 4 right now.
Yeah, it's definitely
I think he's pushing 4. I wish I would add my scale with that one. Making a triple. Oh, my drag's so loose, that's why. Fighting that last one. Jeez, they're both. You guys have the same fish?
Holy shit. upgrade.
We could have filled a couple
That's the walleye.
What about mine? I think it's pretty funny. Shoot, I couldn't see that. I think the life jacket was full up. I never had it on.
Picture your walleye.
I mean, it's such a hard decision with that big one.
Oh, I don't even think that.
I was floppier. It's bigger. Somehow. Use it small.
Got it.
Wow.
See? Turn sideways. See, there we go. Giant. Giant. See that? Giant walleye.
Okay, begin.
Quarter inch away from being a big one.
Wait, was that a 2-point? Was that
Might be a
two-point?
couple walleyes. He's got black lip. He's got lipstick. You know what?
Another nice bass.
It's a little even. Ow.
He's got black markings all over him. That's a unique looking bass.
Camera. That guy.
I don't think he'll do it. Ooh, he's 17 and a quarter. Is that an upgrade or no?
Nope, made it 18 incher.
He really got
Just grew a little bit.
yeah, just like got nice fish on it. You guys got the same fish? Oh, no, you got the fish. Oh, that one. I got your rod. Hey, sure. I do love big things. Oh, it's a double. That thing. Look at how beat up.
How long was that?
He was only 17.
It's just fat. Woo! Smash fist up there.
You guys finally started feeling my spot now, you guys.
Those 3 nice ones.
Oh, yeah.
She's weird. She's petting the fish. We got a big wall.
There we go.
That one.
15 inches.
That one's good.
That's 15 inches.
Oh god, I'm getting
It's
attacked
a
by the
little
line.
more. 15.
Hey!
That's what it's all my minutes. I'm just gonna keep my awesome available.
Over 23 quarters. So I get rolled up.
Okay, so what you're saying is you have to catch it.
So what'd you guys think? You do okay?
Oh yeah.
You guys have fun? Amazing. Got 4 walleyes. I caught one with 7 minutes to go. It was great. Like I said, I think we should have. In hindsight, you just don't know until you know. But if we would move to that spot earlier, we probably would have. Might have caught some more walleyes. Maybe hit some 18-inch bass. So anyway, we will find out tomorrow who won this whole situation. See you then.
$40 gift card for the boat captain, Ethan Lundberg, and Brody Anderson and Preston. For 15 points, the tie-breaking fish ended up being a 21-inch walleye. This team gets a boat captain, it's a $50 gift card, and we got a couple performance t-shirt or shirts for anglers. First place, Scott Magner, Mila, and G-Man. All right, I'm already getting questions about this last rod.